In this guide video, I'll show you the procedure on how to use Vanilla Visa gift card overview from start to finish. A Vanilla Visa gift card is a prepaid card that can be used anywhere Visa is accepted, both in store and online as well. In order to use it, you'll need the card number, expiry date, and then the CVV code, which can be found on the card itself or on the Vanilla Balance website as well. Now, when you visit the Vanilla website, some card may need to activate before using it and check the balance, or then you just need to check the back of the card for instructions, which might include a sticker to scratch off or for a code as well. You could also visit Vanilla Balance or Vanilla Balance website to activate the card itself, and here you could go ahead and enter in the details as well. Similarly, if you are in store purchase, then you need to swipe the card at the point of a seal. When prompted, then sign the receipt if you're using online for it, and you could choose the Vanilla Visa gift card as your payment method when checking out. Input the card number, expiry date, the CVV code, all that, and fill in your bank or billing address. Then double check the information and complete the payment. That should be able to help. So these are some of the ways to use Vanilla Visa gift card overview from start to finish. And many Vanilla Visa gift cards are activated automatically upon purchase as well. You need to be sure to sign the back of the card before you purchase first. And the customer service can be reached at a toll-free number as well if you face any sort of issues. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.